If you're new to the Amazon Influencer Program, it can seem a little overwhelming at first, especially because there's so many things to learn and there's a lot of terminology that you may or may not know as you've started your journey as an Amazon creator. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you what is an idea list and what kind of content can you use for your idea list in order to not only stay compliant with Amazon, but to make as much money as you possibly can. If you're brand new here, my name is Kathleen Coble, and I teach Amazon creators all about how to make more money in less time. In this video, we're going to be focusing on one of the wonderful ways that you can create content on your Amazon branded storefront, which is an idea list. So let's dive in. The idea lists are very simple. They are one of quite a few different content pieces that you can add to your storefront. So for this training purpose, I've already toggled over to Idealist, right? So if you're like, oh, I just want to see that, just toggle over to Idealist. And now I'm going to show you a couple of creative ways that I've created Idealist. Now, there are so many different ways that you can do this, but basically an Idealist is a curation of items that you put together in a list. Now, you do not necessarily have to have all of these items available to you in order to put them in your idea list, right? This is different than creating shoppable videos or photos and uploading those to Amazon. I always recommend that you only use content that you've created and that you have the product in hand. That is a rule of Amazon. Now, however, with these idea lists, you do not actually have to have the product in hand. So that's actually why, pro tip, if you accidentally click on a Creator Connections campaign and you don't actually have the item, you can just simply create an idea list here. Now, if you need more information about Creator Connections or what to do if you've accidentally clicked on a campaign but don't have the item, make sure you check out one of these other videos all about what is Creator Connections and how can you use it. And oops, what if I accidentally selected a campaign and I don't have the item? Anyway, let's get back to the idea list. So basically, an idea list is a curation of product listings that you're putting into a list. So here's an example of my best gifts for smart business moms, right? And so I have some of these Thoughtfuls pop open cards. I have a notebook. I have my favorite planner, right? A charging station. Oh, I really love this foot massager, right? So basically, what I'm doing is I'm pulling in all these different products and I'm creating a list, right? You can title your list. You can make a little description here about your list, and people can also heart your list. See, I've got 5 hearts there on that particular idea list. Now, another thing that I did, around the holidays, or here, let's look at some thoughtful gift ideas. This includes, right, I've got a sunflower and some chocolates and, some holiday items here. So let's go back and I'm just going to walk you through very quickly. It's just really easy. How do you make an idea list? So you go to your storefront, you go to create content, and instead of a post, a video, or a photo, you just do idea list. And now here you are able to title your idea list. That was the big headline that you saw with my idea list. So let's go ahead and say this idea list is going to be, my favorite travel items. What is this idea list about? This is optional. All my favorite items that make traveling so much easier. You can add more, you can add less, but here is how you actually add products. You just simply click add products. So now we're going to go through and we're going to look through my orders, and I'm just going to type in travel because this is going to give me some ideas of things that I can add to this idea list that I've already purchased, right? So that gives me more options here. Oh, I really like this steamer. That's great for travel. I definitely like this small sling backpack. Catchphrase is a fun travel item, I must admit. Highlights pictures, these are not available, but we'll just go ahead and put those in there anyway. Travel items, definitely need a toothbrush. All right. So, we could really go on and on and on here. There's so many different things, but for this purpose, I don't want to waste your time, right? Our time is very valuable. So when we're done, we're just going to go ahead and do done. We've got 5 things in here. And one thing too is now you can actually move these around if you want, 1 or 2. You can manage and you can move these, right? Let's say I want to make sure that the steamer is number 1. I can just simply move it over like this, drag and drop. All right, so I've got my 5 items. And now when I'm done here, all I'm going to do is click save, submit. And Amazon takes very little time to approve these idea lists. They come through very quickly. You should be able to see it in just a minute. So now if I go back to my storefront, I should be able to see this idea list pop up pretty soon. And there it is, my favorite travel items right there at the top because I just made it. Now, if I want to pin it, I can just go ahead and pin it so that it stays right at the top there. And now people will be able to find it. So now let's say I want to promote that idea list. How do you actually make money with these idea lists? So idea lists live on your storefront, and really people have to go to your storefront on Amazon to be able to find them. So idea lists are great when you're promoting off Amazon. What you can do is you can take this link that will direct people there. All you do is you simply grab the link from here, right, from the share button. You can copy the link, and then that is the link that you can now share across your social media platforms. Now, you must make sure that you have the correct affiliate disclaimer in place when you are sharing this, and that all of the social media channels or websites that you're sharing your idea list on are in the back office in the settings of your Amazon Associates account. And if you need help with figuring out how exactly to do that, make sure you watch this video. It's going to show you exactly how to make sure you're compliant and get all those correct links in your back office with Amazon so you never get shut down. But this is the easiest way to create an idea list. It is so super simple, and you can really expand on it, right? You can create an idea list and share it off site. You can create an idea list and make a blog post on your webpage. You can create an idea list and make a live stream and put all of those items in your live stream. The possibilities are really endless, but just know that you do not actually have to have the items in your hand to create an idea list. And that's okay. You can go one step further and create a collage with all the items from your idea list. I actually prefer to create an idea list and then create a collage. I also have a great video on how to do that right here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, and also check out my free masterclass if you're ready to scale up and take your Amazon influencer earnings to the next level. I'll make sure there's a link right here so you can grab my free masterclass, and I'll see you in the next video.